morning students. Today we are going to start new chapter 10, fraction. Let's learn what are fractions. Let's take a pizza, a pie and a donut. What if we divide these in equal parts? जब हम इसे equal parts में divide कर देते हैं, so ये क्या चीज हो जाती है? This we will understand through fractions. A fraction has two parts. The bottom part which is known as denominator. फ्रैक्शन के टू पार्ट्स होते हैं जिसमें जो बॉटम पार्ट है उसे हम डिनोमिनेटर. सो दीज नंबर्स आर टोटल नंबर ऑफ इक्वल पार्ट्स. ये टोटल नंबर होता है किसका? इक्वल पार्ट्स के. एंड द अपर पार्ट इज नोन एज न्यूमिनेटर. दिस शोज नंबर ऑफ पार्ट्स चोजन. जब हम कुछ पार्ट्स चूज करते हैं किसी फ्रैक्शन के, सो वो हम कहाँ लिखते हैं? न्यूमिनेटर में. Now let's understand it more clearly with an example. Let's take an example of a pizza. Pizza is usually divided into 8 equal parts. So the 8 equal parts we will write in the denominator part, the bottom part. Now suppose if you have taken one slice of this pizza, so we will write this 1 to the numerator. So 1 by 8, or you can say 1 upon 8 is a fraction of this slice. Means हमने जब इस पिज्जा में से एक स्लाइस को हटा लिया, so the fraction of this slice will be 1 upon 8. So total equal parts are 8, जो हम कहाँ लिखेंगे? डिनोमिनेटर में. और जब हम कोई स्लाइसेस हटाते हैं, यानी कोई पार्ट्स जो हम रिमूव करते हैं किसी होल थिंग में से, so वो पार्ट्स हम कहाँ लिखते हैं? इन द न्यूमिनेटर, इन द अपर पार्ट. So 1 upon 8 is the fraction of this slice. Now suppose if I take 2 slices of this pizza, so the fraction will be 2 upon 8. 8 is the equal parts and 2 जो slices हमने यहाँ से remove कर ली. So 2 by 8 is the fraction of this pizza. Now let's take an example of a pie. Divide this pie into 6 equal parts. And we are removing 4 equal parts from this pie. So what will be the fraction of this pie now? It will be 4 upon 6. In the denominator part we will write 6 because there are 6 equal parts, and in the numerator part we will write 4 because we have taken 4 parts from this pie. So the fraction of this pie is 4 upon 6. Let's take an example of this donut. This donut is divided into 2 equal parts in which one part we have removed or we have taken. So the fraction of this donut will be 1 upon 2. 1 we will write in the numerator because one part we have taken, and we will write 2 in the denominator because this donut has 2 equal parts. So 1 upon 2 is a fraction of. Let's learn this fraction with one more example. This is Amy's birthday party in which Amy invited some friends. So there is a cake. There is only one friend right now. So we can divide this cake as 2 equal parts. So when we divide this cake into 2 equal parts, this part is called as half, or you can write it as 1 upon 2. So जब हम किसी चीज को, किसी होल चीज को, होल थिंग को 2 equal parts में divide करते हैं, so each part of this whole thing is called as half, and we will write the fraction 1 upon 2. Now one more friend came to his party. Now Amy has to divide this cake into 3 equal parts. So when we divide this cake into 3 equal parts, we will write it as 1/3, or in the fractional form we will write 1 upon 3. This 1 upon 3 represents कि हमने इस कंप्लीट केक को 3 इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया है. Now if we take 2 parts of these third parts, so we will write it as 2/3 because each one was 1/3. हर एक जो पीस था वो 1/3 पार्ट था, but we are talking about 2 parts of this cake now, so it will be 2/3. So हम इसे कैसे लिखेंगे? 2/3. Now one more friend has come to his party. Now what Amy will do? Amy will divide this cake into 4 equal parts. Is that cake is divided into 4 equal parts? No, because some parts are larger than the other parts. So this cake is not divided into 4 equal parts. Now it is divided into 4 equal parts. And these 4 equal parts are known as quarter. हम इसे क्या read करते हैं? Quarter. Or we will say it as 1/4 and the fraction form will be 1/4. This is 1/4 part. So 2 parts will be 2/4 because हमने इसी 1/4 के 2 parts को लिया है, so it will be 2/4. And when we will take 3 parts of this 1/4, so it will be called as 3/4 and we will write it as 3/4. Now let's learn fractions in collections. For example, I have 8 slices in my whole pizza. मेरे पास एक पिज्जा है जिसके मैंने कितने स्लाइसेस किए हैं? 8 slices किए हैं. Now what is 1/2 of 8? That means we have to divide these 8 slices into 2 equal portions. हमें इन 8 slices को 2 equal groups में divide करना है. So how we will divide these 8 slices into 2 equal groups? We will make 2 equal groups of these 8 slices just like this. हमें क्या करना है? इन 8 slices को 2 equal groups में divide करना है जिसमें इनके equal portions आएंगे groups में, and each group will get 1, 2, 3 and 4 slices. So हर एक group में कितने slices आएंगी? 4 slices आएंगी. So the answer is 4. Let's take one more example. What is 1/4 of 24? Here we have to divide 24 candies, you can say, in 4 equal groups. अब हमें यहाँ पे 4 groups में इन 24 candies को divide करना है. Now how many candies will each group get? So हम 4 groups या 4 friends में इन 24 candies को divide कर रहे हैं. Just like this we have to divide these 24 candies. So each group is getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So each friend will get 6 candies. Yeah, each group will get 6 candies from these 24 candies. Or what we can simply do, we are dividing 24 candies into 4 groups. So we can simply divide the numbers 24 and 4. We are dividing this 24 by 4. So 24 divided by 4, that means 4 की टेबल में 24 कितने टाइम्स आता है? 6 टाइम्स आता है. So we can simply say 4 into 6 is 24. So the answer is 24 divided by 4 is 6. Let's take one more example. What is 1/5 of 45? So हमें यहाँ 45 को 1/5 यानी 5 groups में इस 45 को हमें divide करना है. What we will do? So we are dividing 45 into 5 groups over here. What we have to do? We have to divide this 5 by 45. That means 45 divided by 5. This will be 9 because we all know 9 into 5 is 45. So 45 divided by 5 will be 9. That means each group will get 9. So children, I hope you all understood what are fractions and what are numerators, denominators. Now let's solve exercise 10A. Exercise 10A, which is on page number 99. First question is tick the figures that show halves. So आपको इसमें वो पिक्चर्स टिक करने हैं जो हाफ को शो कर रहे हैं. हाफ दैट मीन्स 1/2 जो कम्प्लीटली क्या हो, हाफ पार्ट में डिवाइडेड हो. सो कम्प्लीटली हाफ पार्ट में कौन से पिक्चर्स डिवाइडेड है? ओनली दिस ट्राइंगल एंड दिस बी, जिसमें हमने इसको डिवाइड किया है. सो कम्प्लीटली क्या है, 2 हाफ्स में डिवाइड है. बट दिस वन एंड दिस वन आर नॉट डिवाइडेड इनटू हाफ पार्ट्स बिकॉज ये कुछ ही पार्ट्स इसके क्या है, डिवाइडेड है. सो these two are not divided into two equal half parts. Now, in the second question, you have to color to show the fractions. यहाँ आपको कुछ fractions दिए हैं, इन fractions के according आपको इन pictures में color करना है. So for 1/2 that means आपको 2 parts में से 1 part को color करना है. So you can use this part or you can use this part to color the picture. I am using this pencil to shade here. You can use color any of your choice. So आपको 1/2 के लिए only 1 part color करना है from these pictures. For 1/3 again 3 parts are divided here. So you have to color only one part of these pictures. For 1/4, so 4 parts are divided here and we have to picture only 1 part. Just because यहाँ न्यूमिरेटर में क्या दिया हुआ है 1. सो न्यूमिरेटर में जितने भी नंबर्स होते हैं हमें सिर्फ उतने ही पार्ट्स को कलर करना है या शेड करना है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज ट्रू और फॉल्स. सो फर्स्ट वन इज 1/3 इज कलर्ड. सो हियर 1/3 is colored. Is it true or false? See, there are 1, 2, 3 parts in total and 1 part is colored. So yes, it is 1/3 and 1/3 is called as 1/3. So this is true. Next picture is 1/3 is white. Now see, 1/3 part is white. 1/3 again 1/3. Now in 3 parts, 1 part is white. So yes, it is true because only 1 part is white, rest 2 are colored. So this will also be true. Now in the third one, a quarter is white. Quarter, that means 1/4 that we have learnt already. Quarter हम क्या बोलते हैं, किसे बोलते हैं 1/4 को. So 1/4 part is white. This is false because 1, 2, 3 parts are white and 1 part is colored. So यहाँ 1/4 is colored part के लिए होगा and it is said it is white. So that will be false because 1/4 part जो है वो colored है, white नहीं है. In this one also on page number 100 you have to color to show the fractions. So यहाँ 5 parts divided है, you have to color 1 part because in the numerator it is 1. Here in this one also you have to color 1 part over here. Here you have to color 3 parts because in the numerator it is 3. So we will color 3 parts of this picture and rest 2 will be remain white. In 4/6 we will color 4 part of this picture. In 5/8 we will color 5 part of this picture. Then in 7/9 we will color 7 parts of this complete picture because in 9 में divided है और 7 in the numerator. So we will color 7 parts of this picture. In this one we have to show what fraction is shaded. यानी जो ये colored parts हैं, जो shaded parts हैं, इनका हमें fraction find करना है. And how you will write the fraction? See, here first of all you have to count the complete parts. So 1, 2, 3 are complete parts and complete parts you will write in the bottom part. यानी line से नीचे आप लिखेंगे complete parts. Now how many parts are shaded? So there are 2 parts which is shaded or colored. So you will write 2 in the numerator or the top of the line. ऊपर आपको shaded parts लिखने हैं कि कितने parts shaded हैं और upon में आप क्या लिखेंगे कितने total parts है इसमें. So there are 3 parts. 3 parts हमने कहाँ लिखा in the denominator in the bottom part and shaded parts. How many parts are shaded? 2. So 2 we will write in the numerator or you can say the top part. In this one 1, 2, 3, 4 parts in total. So we will write 4 in the denominator in the bottom part and 2 parts are shaded. So we will write 2 in the upper part or in the numerator. Similarly in this one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parts are in total. So 5 you will write here. And how many parts are shaded? 1, 2, 3. So 3 you will write in the top part. Similarly in this one there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 parts in total. So 16 you will write in the denominator. And how many parts are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 parts are colored or shaded. So you will write 4 in the top part. So 4/16 will be the fraction of this figure. Similarly you have to do for this one and this one. Now these two questions are related to fraction in collections. 1/2 of 4 we have to fill up. So what you have to do, you have to simply divide this 4 by 2 because हम इस 4 को 2 ग्रुप्स में डिवाइड कर रहे हैं. So जब हम 4 को 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे, the table of 2, 4 comes 2 times. So you have to write 2 over here. What we have done, we have divided this 4 by 2 to get the answer. Similarly in this one, 1/2 of 12. So again you have to divide 12 by 2. That means 2 की टेबल में 12 कितने टाइम्स आता है? 6 times. So the answer will be 6. Similarly for 1/3 of 9, you have to divide this 9 by 3, 10 by 5, 18 by 9. So जब हम 9 को 3 से डिवाइड करेंगे, in the table of 3, 9 comes 3 times only. So the answer will be 3. Similarly in this one, a 1/3 of 18. So 1/3 of 18 का मतलब हुआ 1/3 of 18. So this will be 18 को जब हम 3 से डिवाइड करेंगे, कितने टाइम्स डिवाइड होगा? 6 टाइम्स. So answer will be 6. A quarter of 16, that means 1/4 of 16. And when we are dividing this 16 by 4, we are getting 4 only. So the answer will be 4. 1/6 of 24. 1/6, that means 1/6 of this 24. So in the table of 6, 24 comes how many times? 4 times. So the answer will be 4. In this filling the blanks, in 3/4, the numerator is and the denominator is. You have to say which is the denominator and which is the numerator. So numerator is the top part, that is 3, and denominator is the bottom part, that is 4. Similarly you have to do for 7/9. The fraction whose numerator is 4 and denominator is 7 is. Now we have to write the fraction. Fraction जो अभी हमने इस टाइप से लिखा था. So numerator is 4, so we will write 4 in the upper part, top part, and 7 as denominator. That means 7 we have to write at the bottom part. Similarly you have to do for this one. So children, you have to complete exercise 10A in your book only, and some introduction part you will do in your notebook which I have shared as a PDF. Thank you.